K. Johnson Construction. We're primarily a concrete masonry company located in rural Sauk Rapids. Been in business, this is our 32nd year. So started from scratch really. Grew up in southern Minnesota and then moved up to this area. And just started with a wheelbarrow and one other person and grown to what we're at today, which is roughly 35 people in the field and office staff combined. Our primary work consists of, we do a lot of school work and institutional, hospitals, large commercial buildings. Our signature one a couple years ago was a YMCA project in St. Cloud. Right now we're working on Ike Motors in St. Cloud. Sauk Rapids High School. Last year we just finished up the new Sartell High School, which was our biggest project ever, combined concrete masonry work. So I was originally kind of maybe a lost soul, you would call it. So I didn't know what I was going to do after high school. I ended up sticking around at home and working in construction. It turned out that I was fairly good at it, and I like the building stuff, I always have, and I thought, well, I might as well do what I know how to do. But you have to be 18 years old to work in construction sites. You know, we don't really need the experience, but just one of those, you know, the cliches is you show up on time, do your job, and you know, pick up on it. You can do well with construction. In fact, most of the time we even like to have somebody with no experience. That way we can train them how our process is, how we like to see it done. Well, a couple of reasons. One, it's, again, you don't need any specialized training for it or schooling. You can walk on a job site, again, assuming you're there to work, you can get a job. The other is the pay is really good. I mean, starting pay is pretty decent for really not having experience. So, and that's probably just gonna go nowhere but up. And the other thing is, this is that intangible that I like to tell people is, you know, you can either drive around town or step back after you get done working on a project, finished, and look at that building and take some pride in that. You know, that knowing that you had a part in building that building, starting from that first shovel in the ground to finishing up, laying that last brick in the wall. I mean, there is a good sense of satisfaction when you know that. And I think that goes hand in hand with most trades, and that's probably why people do it. They just like building stuff, you know, seeing what you can do with your hands. Again, that's a skill that, gosh, every time I do that to this day, I feel a lot of satisfaction.